no GMO kitchen, the Manc menu, where all the ingredients are from nature, never from a lab. Today I'm going to make something I always used to look forward to as a kid on Bonfire night. Treacle Toffee. Back then, you had no idea that you can make it yourself yet, and that it was even available all year round. First off, you're going to need 300 grams of unsalted butter and begin to let it melt. Then we add 400 grams of brown sugar. After that, 200 grams of molasses, or if you're in Blighty, black treacle. And finally, 1 can of condensed milk. As it's heating up, be careful not to overstir everything, or you'll get a grainy toffee. Just encourage the butter to melt. Once melted, then you can start to mix all the ingredients together. Keep stirring to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. Now, if you want a soft toffee, it'll take around 10 minutes for the temperature to reach 100 degrees. If you want a rock brittle toffee, heat to around 140 degrees. Now, the classic traditional treacle toffee, hard but still chewy, will be finished when it reaches 130 degrees. Then take off the heat and pour onto a tray. Once you get it levelled out, place in the fridge for about 2 hours. Then take it out and break it into bite-sized pieces. Treacle Toffee for Bonfire night. Have a taste, honey.
Never had this before.
Would you pay for it in a sweet shop?
It's sweet, chewy. I like it. Yes, I would.